Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Guess what? Got my DJI Neo just a couple of hours ago. I've got one of the batteries charged up almost full. I got the Fly More kit just for the batteries, really, more than anything else. And I've updated the firmware to the latest version, and this is my first flight. I literally have not had it turned on other than to update the firmware. So I'm going to switch over to my 360 camera. I've got it... I guess I'm going to just fly it from my hand. We'll see how that goes. All right, so they say turn it on. Yes, here we go. Face it towards you. Okay, there's a red thing flashing. Wonder if that's a good thing. Oh, it stopped flashing. Now it's yellow flashing. Okay, well, anyway. It's in follow me mode. Let's do that. No, wait.
Circle, rocket, spot, direction, follow. Medium, follow. 3, 2, unable to take off, aircraft in motion.
Oh, poop.
Medium, follow. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Guess you have to do a long press. All right. Bouncing around. I like the sound's not too bad, actually. Managed to get around the swing. Oh, nice. So I heard that it did the follow your path kind of thing, and it seems to be doing exactly that. It didn't do it around the tree. Probably have my mic on me. Yeah, so it followed me around the swing nicely, like it followed my path. That was that's cool. But I had heard that, so I wasn't not surprised that it was doing that. But when I went around this tree, it did follow me around that time. Maybe I went a little too close last time. Oh, it's doing a great job. Okay, I'm going to stop this in a minute and do a droney. Yeah, it's great. Don't have to worry about it. I'm going to walk straight at this tree and then dodge around it. And it did the same thing. I love it. This is really good. This is really good. Okay, come to me. Amazing. Yeah, so first flight, totally good and totally amazing. All right, I'm going to do a droney. I got a lot of trees here.
Droney. 4 meters. Droney. 3, 2, 1.
All right, there it goes. 4 meters, eh? I think it'll be fine. Excellent. Oh, fantastic. Now, there's just a very light breeze today, but it certainly is not having any troubles whatsoever. Now, what's it going to do? Is it going to follow me? So after it does the droney, does it follow me? Or does it just sit there? Okay, so it just sits there. That's expected. All right, but it did kind of... It's following me around. Nice. Wow, it really stops quick. All right, what else have we got here?
Circle. 2 meters.
2
Circle.
meters.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, so it's gone back about 2 meters. And what's it going to hit? Nothing. Maybe the camera? Uh-oh. Oh, perfect. Now, does it come back to me? It does. Wow, I'm impressed. This is so cool. All right, what else can I do here?
Rocket.
Rocket? Yeah, sure, why not?
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
You have to wave, of course, because that's in the regulations. Oh wait, that's in the new regulations. No, it was in the old regulations. What am I talking about? If you see a drone, you have to wave. Wow, it's pretty close to that tree. Steady as a rock. Wow. What's it doing? Oh, it's kind of backing away before it comes down the last little bit. And it happily lands in my hand. I'm impressed so far. What's this next mode?
Spotlight.
Spotlight. I'm not even sure what that is.
Spotlight. 3, 2. Unable to take off. Aircraft in motion.
Okay, so it doesn't like it when you move too fast.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
So what does that mean? I think it just follows me, right? Like it's centered on me and it just follows me. It just stays hovering in place. What happens if I try to go under it? Oh, it didn't like that a bit. Has it found me again? Oh, it found me again. Perfect. Getting a little whiny, are we? Okay, that's enough of that. All right. Okay, so I'm super impressed with this little thing. Now, I do have a Hover Air X1, as a lot of you know. Same sort of capabilities, but in my next attempt, I will connect this with my FPV goggles, and for once I will be flying FPV without a spotter, totally legally, because this thing's under 250 grams. I no longer have to feel like I'm a criminal when I'm flying my FPV drone, which is totally insane. But anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.